What is title insurance? Why do you need it? We're going to talk about it all and figure it all out right after this. When you're going to buy a home, or even when you're going to sell a home, part of your closing costs pays for title insurance. In very simple terms, title insurance makes sure that the title for the property is free and clear. Think about when you buy a car, you want to always make sure that you receive title to prove that you're the only owner for that car. Or in the car world, we can have things like a salvage title, which would show you that there's been damage to the car, some history to the car that you as the new owner would want to know about. It's kind of the same thing with a title insurance policy for a home. So when you buy a home and you close on it, you want to make sure that you are the only owner for that property. And so at the point of closing, the title company is ensuring that you're the only owner for that property. So if for some reason, 6 months after you close on the purchase of your home, someone knocks on your door and says, "Hey, my uncle sold me 1/3 interest in this property 20 years ago, and I saw it sold, I want some money." Well, you would call up your title company and say, "Hey, this guy's saying this crazy thing. Can you investigate it?" And if it's true that this person did have ownership in the home and it sold without them getting paid, the title insurance policy would pay them off and make them go away. Or they could disprove what he's saying and he just goes away and he doesn't get anything because he's not telling the truth. So again, title insurance ensures, did you see what I did there? That you are the only owner for your home. Another mechanism for the title insurance and the title process when you're closing on a home is they make sure it's free and clear of any liens. So this has to do with ownership as well, but if the owner or the seller of the home hired out a contractor to work on the home and they didn't pay it, and there's a mechanic's lien on that property, well, in my state, Washington State, you have to have free and clear title to a property to transfer the ownership to a new owner. So the title company would investigate that, figure it out, and make sure that mechanic or that contractor is paid off so you can close on the home without any issues. There are only a few instances where I believe it's some utility liens can pass through to new ownership, but your title policy and your title insurance and the title rep that you're working with should be able to point those out before you close, so it's not a problem after closing. There's a lot more that goes into the title insurance policy, but that's the basics. It ensures that you are the only owner and that your title is free and clear and all yours. Hopefully this is helpful. For more tips and tricks about buying and selling real estate, please subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you as a subscriber. If you have any stories, good ones, bad ones, about title insurance, put them in the comments. I'll jump in the comments and interact with you. We'd love to see you there. See you on the next one.